GONZO. I think this is what the version. This is probably version 3. 400 ounce triple stack, basically the same as the XV3 from Sundown. Double bolted per window, 4 gauge. We're out of the regular spring terminal, so we ended up using the Rockford ones, which is fine. I have GONZO on the front. Let's do a free air. 28 hertz. Go down to 10. QTS is 0.46. I'm going to round up. And then VAS, of course, is about 1 cubic foot. So you don't have to pay a lot of money to get a badass subwoofer. This fucker is only, I think we're doing this one for, what, 400 plus shipping? I think it's 465 shipped. It's basically the GONZO Junior, but bigger. So, but we don't pay so much for the motors, so we can sell it for cheaper. These graphics come off too if you don't want those or if you want something else. Wine height is 70 millimeter, and the top assembly is removable. And that is 1.2 ohms, so basically 1 ohm.